what's up everyone? My name is Samuel Jace and I am your host in this video today. Last 6 years I am working as a digital marketing director and Google Ads, Facebook Ads expert. I am the CEO of No Cost Ads Agency, which is a breakthrough ads formula that you can learn how to make your business skyrocket to the top and pay 10% of your real money rather than use 100% ads credit. Alright, here you can see it's a normal ads account which is doing really good, and you can see there's a pretty some of the campaign which is doing pretty much good. This is a Facebook ads threshold account which is contain $3,000 threshold of the Facebook, which is the biggest ads account in the decade. As you can see here, this is this account is just starting, and you can see here that it's really spending $480 from the first, and it's reached almost 2 million people, and its impression is 2 million people and reached 1 million people, which is insane. This one of my clients, campaigns are here, and they are just doing really good. So as you can see here, this account. So if I brings you to the payment page, so let me show you the payment page. If I click the billing here, as you can see. Alright, so here you can see there's no bill during this time, which is this account is act like a threshold account. As you can see here, something like there is no billing. So no billing means this account is a threshold account, and it has a limit of $2,500. That means $2,500 dollars limit. That means until we spend $2,500, this will not gonna be charged again. And I'm also remove my payment details from this account to make this work. So let me show you the payment setting here. If I click the payment setting here, you can see here, as you can see here, this is the payment page, and the payment methods, there is no payment methods because I removed the payment methods for this section because this is a threshold account, and there is no need to payment method, and it asks for settle account, which is a temporary things, and it will not impact or any bad effect in your account. As you can see here, this is billing of the February 28th. That means until February 28th, until I spend $2,500 until I spend, it will not going to charge me. So today is 4 February almost, and here you can see. And another, you can see this blue bar is almost 21%, I think, because this is just really starting to spend. And here you can see the spend is the same as this one, $479.73, which is it's a normal. And here you can see the current limit of the account is $2,500. So this is the big threshold Facebook ads account, and thank you for watching. And if you like my video, subscribe my channel and share this to your